Hey everyone, quick follow-up on that last video I just did about the police commander or the police corporal. I want to include this in the video. I should have already included in the video I uploaded, but I'm going to do a separate little video. This right here just shows you how crooked they are. Now, he's already done FSTs. If you guys watched the video, he's already done the walk and turn. He's already did the leg stand. She already looked at his eyes. She's already done all her FSTs. But when he gets in here, he's going to say, I can't do FSTs. And the sergeant's going to say, you don't have to worry about FSTs. As long as you blow, you're fine. We're golden. And I want you to listen carefully. I'm going to play it back a couple times of what he says to the sergeant. This is how crooked these cops really are. They pretend to be, moral and upstanding and these great people. And they're just heroes, right, of the community. And he's going to sit here and have no integrity, just like all the rest of them, because, of course, they don't. And he's going to sit here and say, hey, will you blow for me? Real quietly, listen.
I can't do FSEs. Listen, if you blow and you're good, then we're golden. Yeah. You blow.
You hear what he just said? You blow. Let's listen to that again.
Listen, if you blow and you're good, then we're golden. Yeah. You blow. You know I can't do that. Listen, if you blow and you're good, then we're golden. Yeah. You blow. You know I can't do that. Golden. Yeah. You blow. You know I can't do that.
He says, you blow. So she tells him basically all you got to do. He said, I can't do FSTs. They've already done FSTs. They're not here to do FSTs. He's here to do the observation period so they can do the DUI breathalyzer. It's just a double standard. Like I said, to us peasants, we would be charged with trying to bribe an officer and all this other stuff if we did what he did. I mean, it's just absolutely ridiculous. And then if I showed you just 10 seconds before this, it's titled, Can I Uncuff You Now? Let's see if I can back it up real quick. You see where it says apology and hug right there in the corner. And I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to have it. I'm not going to pay for YouTube because I could care less about this. But yeah, I'll try one more time. Right there. Can I uncuff you now? As you guys can see in the bottom left-hand corner right there. Let's see if I can circle this. Can I uncuff you now? So, it's just ridiculous. This is the double standard that we have to live through. She's asking, can I uncuff you? Now, we know that they would not do that for us, but anyways, with that said, guys, I'm just going to end it there. I've already done a 15-minute video on the other video that I put up. I just wanted to show you guys. This is how crooked they are, okay? This is the double standard that we're up against. And people think that these people are heroes. People think, oh, it's just one or two bad apples, spoils the bunch. But for the most part, 90% of cops are all great. No, 90% of them are all part of the, there might be 90% of the cops are bad and 10% of cops are good, maybe, but the truth is they run out any good cops, okay? They don't want any good cops on the force because then they'll actually be turned in for their corruption, and they don't want that, okay? That's why for the longest time they didn't want these body cameras, and that's why there's certain police agencies that refuse to still use body cameras in 2023. They have cameras on their cars, and they have their officers use microphones. So, because they know it's a lot easier for them to cover up their how they all get together and contrive to, and conspirize, to get together and come up with Trump charges on people that they don't like, people that, offend their ego, people that don't respect their power, because this is all about a power and respect game. But like I said, they're just corrupt. You just heard it out of his own mouth. Now I know there'll be a million people that want to comment here, oh, that's just one bad officer. Okay, you can... For the people that like to lick boots, you know what I mean, you can go somewhere else, okay? because I personally will never call a cop or a soldier a hero, because I know what they're a part of. Okay, I'm not saying that their heart might not been in the right. I'm not saying that their heart isn't in the right place when they first join. That they might want to do good and protect people and protect society and go out and get drugs and bad people off the streets. But that's not what being a cop is about, okay? Just like being a soldier, we're lied to, okay? Just like we are about a cop. It's propagandized. We're lied to from birth to make us view these people in certain lights, okay? They're heroes, and there's a reason why they make people believe that they're heroes. So with that said, I just wanted to share you guys. I wanted to add this on the video, but I didn't want to go too long on about it. So with that said, I'm going to end the video. I appreciate you guys, and like, share, comment, subscribe, and as always, I appreciate you guys. And if you don't, you don't. Like I said, it is what it is. It's not going to hurt my feelings, but it does help the channel if you like my work. So God bless you all, and peace.